VideoXpert Professional Server software can be downloaded from www.pelco.com/VXPro. Click on the Documents and Software link located on the VideoXpert Professional page. Click on the Software link located under the Documents and Software section of the VideoXpert Professional page. A new window or tab will open, displaying the available software downloads for VideoXpert Professional. Scroll down the list and click the Download button located under the VideoXpert Professional version 1.0 section. Your download will now begin. It will be saved to your default download location as specified in your preferred browser. Welcome to Pelco by Schneider Electric VideoXpert Pro Installation Guide. Before installation can begin, the files must first be extracted. Right-click the file and select Extract All. Keep the default file location. Notice that Show Extracted Files when complete is checked. This will show us the VideoXpert Pro installation file once file extraction is complete. Once confirmed, click Extract. Double-click the VideoXpert Professional installation file to begin installation. Checkmark I accept the terms of the license agreement, then click Begin Installation. Complete VX Pro Suite install is selected by default. This will install the server, Op Center, and Toolbox. Click Next. The VX Pro server recording directory is where recordings are stored. The largest storage location is automatically selected. If a different location is desired, click Browse and select that location. Once complete, click Install. Installation time will vary. This video has been edited to show a shortened time. Typical installations can take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. To begin configuration, double-click the VX Toolbox icon located on the desktop. At the Configure VX Toolbox screen, click OK. At the Set Password for Admin screen, click the Show checkbox. This will allow us to confirm the password being entered. For a default password, we recommend capital PEL 289 9100. This can be changed to meet site specifications. Once confirmed, click Set Password. At the Company Name screen, enter the company name. Please keep in mind the company name cannot be changed later and is important for licensing purposes. Once the company name has been entered, click Save and Continue. At the VX Pro Admin Portal, we're going to add a camera, configure a user, and add our system. We can also add licensing. Please keep in mind all VX Pro software installations include a 30-day grace period before licensing must be entered. Click on the System tab. Here we can enter a VX Pro system name, configure the server port, and add an NTP server. If the NTP server is the same as the VX Pro system, enter the IP address here. NTP is important as it keeps time sync between the VX Pro system and the cameras. Once this information has been entered, click Save Settings. To add a camera, click on the Cameras tab. At the Cameras tab, click the search icon located on the bottom right-hand corner. This will discover any IP cameras that can be added to VX. Once the camera has been discovered, it will appear under Devices list. On the right-hand side, a preview image will appear. Click the VX checkmark to commission it to the system for recording. Once done, click on the Users tab. Here, we can add users for use with VideoXpert Ops Center. Click the Add button located in the bottom left. Enter a username, a first name, a last name, and a desired password. Here we can click Show again to confirm the password being entered. We'll use once more PEL 289 9100 for the default password. Once confirmed, click Roll. Here we can set this as a normal user. Then click Add. The user has now been added and is able to connect to the VideoXpert Ops Center. Once done, click X and select Exit. We can now load Ops Center by double-clicking on the icon. Here we must give Ops Center local admin permissions. Do so by entering the username of local admin and a password of local admin. We can confirm that again if we so choose by clicking Show. Once all the information has been verified, click Apply and then click OK. A logout required screen will appear. Go ahead and click OK. This will load the Ops Center. Once Ops Center has been loaded, we can now log in. Here we will log in with our admin user, admin with a password of capital PEL 289 9100. Click Login. The Ops Center widget will now display. Drag and drop the camera from the list on the right to the screen on the left. In today's video, we will be exporting previously recorded video using Ops Center on VideoXpert Professional. To begin, double-click the Ops Center icon on the desktop. Supply the user credentials with export privileges. In today's example, we will be using admin. Once Ops Center loads, drag and drop a camera to the display. To begin the export process, click on the investigation icon located on the bottom left-hand side. Once the investigation screen loads, we can begin selecting clips for export by clicking on the timeline and dragging, selecting the appropriate amount of time for the event. Once the correct amount of time has been selected, click the Add to Playlist button. This can be done multiple times per camera. If a different camera is required, drag and drop that and repeat this process. All clips will be added to the left-hand side under the playlist. Once we have added all the required clips to our list, click the export icon located in the upper left-hand side. Give the file a name. The encrypted option here applies to passwords. If we encrypt the file, it will require the password to play back. This password is given to the user and cannot be retrieved. Without the password, files are not able to be played back. If we select unencrypted, anyone with the file will be able to play the selected clips back. Once we click OK, the export process begins. Click the drop down and we will be given an option to export it with the player. In some situations, there may be an option to export it without the player. The difference is, with the player, any user will be able to play this back. Without the player, it will require that Op Center be installed on the PC playing this back. Select the location from where you would like to save the file. In this example, we are saving it to our desktop. In today's video, we will be playing back exports taken from Op Center on VideoXpert Professional. We have exported two files, one as encrypted, the other as unencrypted. We will first open the encrypted file. On a system that already has the video export player, double-click the icon located on the desktop. Once open, click Open File and select the video. Take note that it does not have to be unzipped. As you can see, we are prompted for a password. Type in the password used during the export process. If this is not known, video will not be able to be played back. This password cannot be recovered. Once the password has been verified, a prompt showing us that this is verified, untampered video will appear. Once we acknowledge that, the video export player will now show us our video. For the unencrypted file, the process is the same. Open the video export player icon located on the desktop, click Open File, and then select our video.